JBC बलून क्राफ्टाची खाशेली कूपन ऑफर. स्क्रॅच करात आणि जिकात भांगर ते कार. एक्साइटिंग गिफ्ट्स जस्ट वन स्क्रॅच अवे. ऑफर कूपन काय वेंचीक स्टेशनरी स्टोरार उपलब्ध आसतले.
See, that is not an issue which has come up. Just saying that you will impose big fines on people is not going to solve the issue, because big builders are ready to pay big fines. After all, they will make bigger money out of it. So, fines is not the issue. The problem is the conversion of the lands and the official permissions that are being given by town planning for cutting of the hills based on contour plans which are not in accordance with the Surveyor General of India's plans. Our demand is that the Surveyor General of India's plans, which are the official plans for all over India, that should govern hill cutting. Second, CTP, the Chief Town Planner, cannot decide when to give and when not to give. There are no rules for hill cutting. That is our demand, that rules have to be framed and follow strictly the Surveyor General of India's plans. Don't let private engineers, architects, builders bring plans and on the basis of those plans you grant. So we are also concerned with the hill cutting which government is giving officially, not only the illegal hill cutting which is done. And illegal hill cutting, as I said, if there are big projects like this Karapur project where there are 50 hectares and more, it's on a plateau, there is a hillside all over, why will they not pay a fine? So the fines, money is not what we want. We want protection of our land. We are not concerned with how much fine. 10,000 fine is not enough, so you make it, raise it up to 1 crore. They have to be FIRs filed, take legal action also, not just money. Money does not solve everything. Prosecute them.
Do you welcome the notification which 3 crore square meter land which he had put into NDZ?
See, the issue of putting something into NDZ is not a concept which is in the Town Planning Act. There is no concept of NDZ. It is not a concept in the regional plan also. So you simply take some land which is already protected, mangroves, sand dunes, these are already protected by law. And then you simply add that and you say now this will be NDZ. But it is already a no development zone. It's simply a face saving kind of thing to counter our concerns about conversion of agricultural lands into development zones.
Ma'am, but minister is saying that his government has not given any permission regarding this hill cutting and land conversations. And who had given this permission?
May action घेवपाक जाय. See, if his government has not given, then there has to be action. Action is prosecution. 17A very clearly says it is a cognizable offence. Jenna the cognizable offence asta, what should follow immediately is an FIR, even leading to arrest of that person, seizure of all the machinery involved, confiscation of all that machinery that is involved, and prosecution, which will eventually lead to their conviction and sentence. Jailin ताणे time काडपाक जाय, अशें जायना. अरे परमिशन जर दिवंक ना जाल्यार it is a right case for you to take action. आणि सेकंडली तुम्ही विचारला तो पॉयंट पॉलिटिकली उलयतलो जाल्यार सुद्दां जर तो 1 crore फान घालपाक जाय म्हणटा न्हू जाल्यार समवेर इनफ इज इनफ मुवमेंटाचो जो आतां चळवळीचो जो इफेक्ट आसा तो ताचेर मनाचेर बसला अशें आमी एडमीट करचें पडटलें. कित्याक ताजें रिएक्शन अशें पयलीं येनासलें. तो बरो म्हूण मनीस आशिल्लो एका म्हण आसा तो आजून ताका दिसता आसतलें आतां की इट इज इनफ. आपणें पयलीं कितें पळय केलां तें आतां सुदारया, चेंज करया, बट नॉट इन द वे दॅट ओके आमी इतले NDZ हाडटले. मॅडम हेज क्लियरली टोल्ड यू NDZ कितें हाडटले जे NDZ आसा. NDZ म्हणटा तो कॉन्सेप्ट कायद्यान खंय ना तसो पळोवपाक गेल्यार, पूण जे ऑलरेडी प्रोटेक्टेड आसा ते NDZ हाडपाक कांय व्हडली गरज पडना, बिकॉज अदर लॉज प्रोटेक्ट दॅट कायंड ऑफ लँड झोन्स. सो इतलें सांगून आमी बरी जाली म्हणटा.